We are at the Howl-O-Ween party here at the Home Run Dog Park.
Hey!
It's about ready to get started.
Okay. We have the mayor of Springfield here, Harry Burdett. Yes, woo! Yes.
Hi.
And he's going to make a very special announcement for this upcoming year. Harry?
If you can't hear me, I'll get the bullhorn. But I can usually can speak loud enough. If I'm use the bullhorn? All right, we'll use the bullhorn. All right, is that better?
Yeah.
All right. I am so honored and pleased to announce, and with the help of the group that got this dog park going and started and maintained, that next year we will have a dog park in Springfield. And we're looking forward to that. It will be a Rothschild Park. And we look forward to working with this great group that got this place going. And we're excited. We're looking forward to it for all the Springfield citizens and anybody else that wants to come to it. So everybody enjoy your day here and have fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talking to
Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a couple of updates. The event today is free to participate in. It is a fundraiser, so we do ask you to buy, do what you can to help contribute. We have a merchandise booth. All of this goes to fund improvements for the park and maintenance throughout the year. The dog, the waste baskets and the waste stations. The waste stations and the waste baskets and all the bags are paid for through your donations. And annual maintenance of the park that the volunteers do to the material. This year we added 2 new waste stations down there because of the increased traffic. And we've got a few plans for 2022 that we want to add to the park and improve things. We've added the wolf board last year, and there's a lot of little projects that the committee has lined up. So whatever you guys can do to help out today, that'd be great. And the contest, the judging is going to be over here in the blue tent, and we'll call it out in each category, line people up when you're entering a category. So the first one up will be the scariest contest, and Jeff will take it from there. He's Darth Vader today, and he's going to be our general master of ceremonies. So I'll let him take it over.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is going to be a canine demonstration. Now, it's very important during the canine demonstration that you have all of your dogs on a leash, even if they are inside the dog park. So these dogs have a lot of energy. They're going to be out just past here in that little open area. And you guys can line up on the fence, but you definitely will need to have your dogs on a leash. Okay, we ready for the scores? 9, 9, and 8.5 for Scary Lion. All right. Let's be next up. Okay. Here comes
Babe shark.
Brutus! Don't mess with the long arm of the law of Brutus. Make their dog a llama. Silly dog.
Oh, what a good little llama. Can you sit on someone?
I've read fairy tales along those lines. Awesome, totally silly. 9, 5, 10, and 9! Woo!
Thank you. You have beautiful
You're one in a million, isn't that what they say?
You gotta judge the taco and the hamburger or the hot dog separately.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Then
Oh boy.
Bo
That's a
was
tough
which
one.
one?
Bo is the hot dog.
The yellow.
Taco.
All right, what do we got for scores? 7, 8, and 7. Give it up for the Dragon and Wizard. Well done, Misty. Sheriff is in town. Everybody act natural. Brutus and a jailbird.
He's it.
8, 5, 8, 5, and 10. Yeah. Oh, check it out. Yeah, 10, 10, and 9.5. Give it up for the construction crew.
Hard-working doggies.
It's my pirate outfit.
So that's gonna wrap it up for today's Howl-O-Ween party. Did you guys have a good time?
We had an awesome time.
I am sitting here with Brutus. He won best overall today's competition. So you guys definitely need to sign up for next year at the Home Run Dog Park.
Bye.
Beep, 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 beep.